Here we go. CNC group break number 1694, 12-13 in the game Heroes and Prospects. 5-box draft. So, part of the Cross Canada Tour today. So, good luck, everybody. We start with base. Hopefully, everybody's got their pen and papers handy, ready to keep track of all the hits. So there's going to be a bunch. We start with a class of 2013 insert Eric Comrie. I'm going to keep the inserts aside since they are drafted as a lot. Base. We've got a top prospects insert of Brendan Gaunce. That's a good start. We've got a Subway Super Series game used jersey and auto silver, numbered 1 of 40, Slater Cuckoo. Slater Cuckoo. No, I got some good sleep last night, so I'm back to functioning at normal today. And we've got an autograph for the Kitchener Rangers, Radek Faksa. Radek Faksa. Base. Base. Oh, best box ever. We've got a 2-color game-used jersey black for the Kitchener Rangers, John Gibson. John Gibson. We've got a Memorial Cup insert of Seth Griffith and Ryan Tissink. We've got an autograph of Matt Dumba. Matthew Dumba. Awesome boxes are awesome. Base. Base. We've got a Prospect Trios triple jersey, numbered 1 of 40. Brendan Ranford, Tim Bozon, and Cole Chevelday. Nice, the Blazers. We've got an autograph of Jeremy Gregoire. Subway Super Series insert, Nathan McKinnon. Actually, I forgot to put one of the inserts over there, didn't I? Yeah, Memorial Cup inserts getting tricky. So yeah, dominant box to start. We got a class of 2013 insert, Greg Chase. And base. One. Could you grab me one of these? All right, box 2. In the game Cross Canada Tour today. Epic times are epic. Thanks, boss.
Any big matches?
What's that?
Any other matches?
No, just that autograph so far. We've got an autograph of Michael St. Croix. Michael St. Croix autograph. We've got a class of 2013 insert, Jonathan Drouin. Heard he's all right. Base. We've got a top prospects insert of Derek Pouliot. Base. We've got a two-color game-used jersey silver, Jeremy Gregoire. Base. 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 We've got a Memorial Cup champions of Vincent Arsenault. We've got a game-used jersey and autograph, silver, numbered 1 of 40, Josh Hosang. Nice. Base. 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 Huh. This is alright. We've got a Subway Super Series game-used patch gold out of 5, Sean Monahan. Game-used patch gold out of 5, Sean Monahan. Potential top 5 pick in the next draft, so that's not bad. Top 10 almost guaranteed. We got a Subway Super Series insert, Zach Fucali. We got a Class of 2013 insert, Seth Jones. Who? Seth Jones. And we finish with an autograph of Martin Firk. That's box 2 in the books. Alright, box 3. Base. We've got a Class of 2013 insert, Zach Nastasiuk. That guy, yep. We've got a Net Prospects game-used jersey silver, number 40, Jordan Binnington. We've got a top prospects insert of Matt Murray. We've got an autograph of Anthony Duclair. Autograph. Base. We've got a game-used jersey black. Oh, I love the Kitchener heavy breaks. Radek Faksa. We've got an autograph of Max Domi. Well, that ruined it. We've got a Memorial Cup insert of Laurent Brossoit and Loic Poudrier. Base. Base. We've got a 3-color Subway Super Series game used jersey silver, Nathan McKinnon. Nathan McKinnon. Base. We've got an autograph of Matt Murray. Matt Murray autograph. We've got a Super Series insert of Dougie Hamilton. We've got a class of 2013, Justin Bailey. So many Kitchener players everywhere. It's awesome. And base. All right, box 4. Didn't someone already get the Eric Comrie 101? Or got one of them anyway? We got a class of 2013 insert, Jason Dickinson. Base. We've got an autograph, Ryan Kujawinski. Ryan Kujawinski, the Kuj. We've got a Subway Super Series insert of Morgan Riley. Base. Oh, that's nice. We've got a 2-color game used patch black. Number to 25, Malcolm Subban. Malcolm Subban. We've got an autograph of Matt Finn. Base. We've got a game-used jersey black, Daniel Altshuler. Daniel Altshuler. Oops. We've got a Memorial Cup insert of Anton Zlobin and Max Domi. Base. Base. We've got a game-used jersey black, Daniel Audette. Daniel Audette. We've got an autograph of Bo Horvat. Apparently, he's the Heroes and Prospects Super Print. Base. Top Prospects insert of Tom Wilson. Tom Wilson. Base. And we got a class of 2013 insert, Brody Silk. Brody Silk. All right. Box 5. We've got an autograph of Nick Baptiste. Nick Baptiste autograph. We got a class of 2013 insert, Zachary Fucali. Zach Fucali. Base. We've got a Top Prospects insert, Radek Faxa. Someone keeping count of the Kitchener Rangers out of here. This is awesome. Base. Base. We've got an autograph of Anton Zlobin. Anton Zlobin. Base. Base. We've got a Memorial Cup champions, Yannick Veilleux. Base. We've got a dual jersey silver, numbered 1 of 40, Nathan McKinnon and Jonathan Drouin. Nathan McKinnon, Jonathan Drouin, numbered to 40. Base. 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 We've got a Subway Super Series insert of Jordan Binnington. We've got a class of 2013 insert, Kirby Reichel. Kirby Reichel. And we finish with a game-used jersey black, Alex Forsberg. Nice Forsberg. All right, draft order coming up.